Hello everybody, I want to show a group of Olivetti MP1. The Olivetti MP1, or ICO as some call it, is the first portable typewriter they built. Since the MP1 was produced from 1932 to 1950, these typewriters cover around all the span of the life of this typewriter. You can see this typewriter remained quite the same during all these years. There are only few differences. I found some. Maybe you can find other differences. These are from different periods. This is from 1933, one of the first MP1 built by Olivetti. This is from 1938, before the Second World War. This is from 1940, during the Second World War. And this is from 1947, quite at the end of the production. In 1938, fascists ruled in Italy, and in the typewriter of 1938 there is this logo with the fascist bundles. It was a kind of mark of quality. Since this product was Italian, you should prefer it to other products from outside Italy. And till 1938 the case is shiny. From the model of 1940 the case is satin. Also the tape guide is different in the MP1 of 1947. And the buttons of this typewriter are black instead of white. In the MP1 of 1940 and 1947, the side of the carriage is different. It became black. In the typewriter of 1933, the basis is different. The logo Olivetti in the first two typewriters is bigger. And also the casing of the last two typewriters is different. Let's hear now the differences in the sound of the bells. 1947. 1938. 1940. 1933. 'I think the winner is this from 1933. What do you think? But during all these years and through a worldwide war, MP1 remained quite the same during all the 18 years of its life. Making something who doesn't need to be changed during the years, it's a real progress.